Hello dear students, here we are back again with our mathematics of class 7th. In the previous class we have started exercise 2.5 of chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimal, and today we will be continuing with our exercise 2.5 with question number 5 we are going to start. Question number 4 we are going to start. What is question number 4? Express in kg. Whatever 1, 2 or 3 parts are given in question number 4, you have to express all of them in kilograms. I told you in the previous video that whatever is the unit, if you wish to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, gram is smaller and kilogram is bigger unit, you have to divide the number or the value which is given to be expressed in the bigger unit. Okay, so we know 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 gram. You have already studied in the junior classes. Now if we find the value of 1 gram in terms of kg, how do we find? 1 gram will be equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So whatever is the value given in grams, we will multiply that with 1 upon 1000 either, or we can divide this number with 1000. This is the same thing. Okay, 200 gram is equal to 200 gram multiplied by 1 upon 1000, or you can directly 200 divided by 1000, you can do it like that also. So 20 cancel with 20, so what we will left? 2 upon 10. But we have to we are studying decimal portion now, and we have to express them in kg. So we will express 2 upon 10 in terms of decimal. So 2 upon 10 means we will how do we explain? In the previous video? First of all, we will leave some space after equal to and write the value of numerator as it is. Now how many zeros are there in the denominator? 1 0. We will write 1 0 here. The number of zeros are there. We will put decimal before that digit, starting from the right side. From the right side only 1 0 are there, so we will put decimal before one digit from the right side. Right side is 2. So before 2 we will put this, and answer will be 0.2 kg. Clear? This is your answer. Now come to second part. Second part is 3470 grams. We know, again we will write 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, and 1 gram will be equal to, in terms of kg, 1 upon 1000 kg. So we will convert 3470 gram into kilograms. So 3470 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 kg. So what you will get? 3470 upon 1000. So how do we write now? Leave some space and write numerator as it is, 3470. Now how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there, na? Write 3 zeros here. Now count the number of digits from the right side, and there are 3 zeros in the denominator. Put decimal before 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. So we are having 0 0 will now get removed. 3.470 kg will be the answer. Clear? Easy. Next is third part, 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg will remain 4 kg. We will not convert 4 kg into kg because it is already in kg. We will convert 8 grams into kg. Okay. Again we will write 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. You have to write this thing again and again in each and every part. So 1 gram will be equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So 8 gram we have to convert. Not 4 kg is already in kg. 8 gram we have to convert. 8 into 1 upon 1000, we will get 8 upon 1000. So how do we write this? 8 upon 1000. 8, leaving some space, we will write 8. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So we will write 1, 2 and 3 zeros. If 3 zeros are there, we will put decimal before 3 digits, counting from right side. 1, 2 and 3 here. 0.008 kg. So what is the answer of 4 kg 8 gram? 4 kg plus 0.008 kg will be equal to 4.008 kg. Clear? Now your question number 4 is done. Come to question number 5th. See students, what they are saying in question number 5th, they are saying you have to write this decimal number in the expanded form. Remember, I have explained you when I have explained you the decimal portion, I have explained you the expanded form also, that you have to write the expanded form like this. First of all, you will write here ones, tens, here 10th and 100. Okay, you have write the place values. Now what will be the place value of 2 here? 2 into 10, that is 20, plus 0 will remain 0 because anything into 0 will be 0. So if you wish to write 0 into 1, you can write, but otherwise it will be 0. Plus this again 0 into 1 upon 10. What is the place value of 0 here? Is this 0? 0 into 1 upon 10, that means it is at the 10th position. After that 3 into 1 upon 100, that means it is at the 100th position. So 2 into 10 is 20, plus 0 plus 0 again, plus 3 into 1 upon 100, that means 3 upon 100. This is the expanded form. Clear? Now next is 2.03. 2.03 again write once, this is 10th and this is 100. 2 will remain 2. 2 into 1, if you wish to write, you can write, plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100. You will write 2 plus 0 plus 3 upon 100 is the answer. Very easy. Again you will write ones, tens, 100. Here how do you write? This is 10 and this is 100. 2 into 100 plus 0 plus 0. I am not multiplying 10 and 1 because ultimately it will be 0 now. Plus 0, if you wish to convert into this, like this you can convert, plus 3 into 1 upon 100. Clear? This is 10th, this is 100. This portion you know na, this is very easy. This you have to pay more attention, little bit more attention. 2 into 100 is 200, plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 upon 100. Okay, this is the expanded form. Now fourth part is 2.034. it is given. Fourth part is 2.034. Again ones, 10, 100, 1000. 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100 plus 4 into 1 upon 1000. Clear? This is your question number 5th part. 5th. Now come to question number 6. See student, now in question number 6 what they are saying, you have to find the place value of 2. So in all of these parts 2 is written, digit 2 is there. So but digit 2 is there at different positions. So first of all we will write their place value like this. This is ones, this is 10th and this is 100. So 2 is at ones position, the place value of 2 will remain 2. 2 into 1 ultimately equal to 2. Here ones, tens, this is 10th and this is 100. The place value of 2 is 2 into 10, that is 20. Okay, here again this is ones, tens, 10th, this is 100. The place value of 2 is 2 into 1 upon 10, that is 2 upon 10 is equal to 0.2 ultimately. Next here is 2 again, ones, 10th, 100. Place value of 2 is 2 into 1 upon 100, this is at 100th position. So 2 into upon 100, that means you will write 2 here, put 0 0 here. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So put decimal before 2 digits from the right side. 0.002 is the place value. Here 2 is at 1000th position. So the place value of 2 will be 2 into 1 upon 1000, that is 2 upon 1000. Again leave some space, write numerator as it is. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros, write 3 zeros here. Now 3 zeros are there, now put decimal before 3 digits counting from right side, 1, 2 and 3. 0 will be here, 0.002 is the place. This is your question number 6. I hope you have understand. Now in the next video I will explain you question number 7, 8 and 9. Now God bless you all.